hydration break. Thank you all for coming. I'd be going to watch Dua Lipa, but there you go.
I'm